Click link in description to buy this product today at best price.
Welcome to PumpSpy's Wi-Fi battery backup pump system installation video. Begin by removing the battery case top. Then, place a battery inside the battery case. PumpSpy's 12-volt deep cycle battery is recommended. Connect the battery leads from the Wi-Fi controller to the battery. Make sure each lead has a secure connection. Do not over-tighten. Next, secure the battery case top to the battery case bottom. Then, connect the white backup pump power cable connector, red and green switch connectors in primary pump connections to the back of the Wi-Fi controller. Connect the controller power cable to AC power. The battery backup pump is now ready to be set up for monitoring and alerts. Download the PumpSpy app from the App Store or Google Play. Create a PumpSpy account by entering your email address, desired password, first name, and last name. Once your account has been created, enter the location information prompted on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Wi-Fi controller to a Wi-Fi network. Once the Wi-Fi controller is connected to a Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi status indicator LED will illuminate green. The PumpSpy Wi-Fi battery backup pump system is now ready for a power outage and will provide monitoring and alerts.